Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about multiplying by triple digit numbers. So the process is going to be pretty similar to when we did double digit numbers. And the phrase that we talked about in that was multiplication makes me mad. So the M is for multiply and add is for addition. So we're going to be multiplying first, and then we're going to add up those multiplication portions of our problem to get our final answer. So again, we're going to multiply and then we're going to add. Now, our typical problem, when we had a two-digit problem, we would multiply the top two numbers by the ones digit, so 3 times everything on the top. And then we would add our magic 0 because the 4 is really a 40, so we need a 0 there. And then we multiply the 4 times each thing on the top, so 4 times 2 and 4 times 5. Then this is when multiplication makes us mad. So this addition piece of it is how we're going to get our final answer. So when we get a larger number, if you have a triple digit number, just like this one on here, so 965 times 574, we're going to actually need 2 zeros down here because our 5 is actually a 500. So the number 500 has 2 zeros in it, so we're going to need 2 zeros down here. All right, let's give it a try. So our problem is 721 times 428. So our first step is to multiply the 8 times everything on the top. So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Bring our 1 up here. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 1 is 57. Okay. So, and I'm going to cross out my regrouping up there. The next thing we need to do is multiply by the 2. The 2 is really a 20, so we need our little magic 0 there. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, now we're ready for our hundreds place. So the 4 is really a 400, so we need 2 magic zeros there. Oh, that one doesn't look very happy. Okay, so now we're going to do 4 times everything on the top. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. And now multiplication makes us mad. So we're going to add these up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Bring our 1 up here. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18. Bring our 1 up here. 8 plus 1 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 308,588. Now, I'll tell you that the hardest thing about these triple digit problems is if you make one error somewhere in here, then it can cause an error in your final answer. So you just have to be really careful with your regrouping and your computation and your facts. So be real careful with that stuff. Okay, let's try another one. So first things first, we're going to multiply this ones place times everything on the top. Now I get really excited when it's a 1 because it makes it, the math is really easy. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Next step, we're going to multiply the 2 times everything on top. Magic 0, because the 2 is really a 20. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, here's our triple digit. This 5 is really a 500, so we need 2 magic zeros. Then 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Multiplication makes us mad. So we're going to add this up. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. Oh, hang on. My pen went away. 6. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 1 is 15. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 2 and 1. 125,561. Okay, so that is how to multiply triple digit numbers. Thanks, guys.